welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show y'all I was making me some sangria we're making us some sangria with Taylor port, which I just really love. Like, I don't know, from the first moment that I had this, I just knew it was gonna be one of the loves of my life. So you obviously supposed to make like let sangria soak and stuff, but no, we're not doing that because I want to consume this right now. So okay, we put some pineapples in there, pineapples from Publix as usual. Yeah, my aunt actually was telling me about the Taylor port. They have a black. I don't know what the black is, but I would want to try that one as well. So shout out to Taylor port, even though they are not sponsoring this video. They should be, but they're not. That's fine though. That's fine. This is what I like. So we're gonna put some extra fruit in here. Some blueberries. I recently was like eating some raspberries and like I think I'm allergic. I think I might need to do one of those tests. So also, you know, want to make sure your fruit is organic because they be spraying any and everything on the fruit. But your fruit, your sangria, your choice. Put whatever fruit you want in there. And this is gonna be delicious, y'all. I'm so excited and so excited to be spending quality time with somebody I give a about. You know what I mean? Like, it's one thing when you stuck with people you really don't want to be around, you're stuck in a situation. You know, have better for your life. Like, you can do it. I promise you. I promise you. You're around somebody that you actually enjoy being around. You make sangrias and you enjoy them. That's what you do. So I got the fruit in the bottom. I got some of this stuff here. I don't even know if I was supposed to put this in here. Baby say yeah. So I just did a little bit, just a little bit to make it a little bit sweeter, you know. I love a good sweet sangria, so we're gonna pour. This thing is heavy. I'm gonna pour. I don't know what they be talking about at those restaurants with those pours. It'd be like a half a glass is a pour. And I'm like, girl, fill my wine glass up to the brim. Oh, I'm classy, I promise y'all. So, do I need to do a little mixy mix? I feel like obviously it would be like in the whole like big container situation, and that's just not this right now. But I'm gonna taste it without mixing it and just let y'all know. See. Ooh. Babe, you gotta come taste. Gotta taste yours and let me know. He over there cooking up them grits, y'all. Love a good grits. He allegedly he know what he doing, so I'm gonna just let him cook. Is that a timer? What's going on? That's a timer, babe. We on time, honey. He's an on-time man. Yes, he is. I'm not gonna give my reaction. I'm gonna let him taste. And you tell me if it needs some more stuff. What? Say it. How it tastes?
It's delicious.
Delicious?
Delicious.
Who else you know delicious?
That'd be you.
Okay, well, he put the glass down. One sip and put the glass down, so that could be really good or really bad. But he said it's delicious, so we're gonna roll with it. That's really, look at the, I'll tell you, I like to be close. I'm a respectable woman. But that's how you make a nice sangria. This is my type of sangria. Now they also have like white wine with peach. I love that one. That's secondary. But for me, a red sangria is gonna do it every time. So now, you know, let's hop into what this man is doing in the kitchen.
Get thick like you.
I'm just a little bit thick, not that much thick. See what else we got, y'all. This man say he want a gravy. I'm gonna let him touch it. I don't believe in touching nobody's pot, so he gonna have to come over here and stir it up for y'all. Babe, what do you feel is the secret to good shrimp and grits? What is the main thing, the main component that the grits gotta have, and the main component that the gravy gotta have, etc.?
So the shrimp has to be wall caught.
Yes.
Nice and thick. Gouda grits. Hot. You know, you don't want to burn your mouth.
Correct.
Yeah. Royal red. They can only be caught 2 months out of the year. You have your roux. I like a nice blonde roux.
A blonde roux?
Yeah. You can see your onions and your peppers. All your other seasonings. Just a little razzle dazzle.
I'm so excited.
And so.
No bacon, no sausage?
Because we got stuff to do afterwards. If you add the bacon and the sausage, then it'll make you go to sleep.
Let's see. Did you blow?
You can handle the spoon.
Did you blow it? No, I wanted to. Okay. I thought you was gonna feed me. Ugh, annoying. I ain't gonna hold y'all. He brought the pink shrimp.
Red.
He brought the royal red shrimp in here. I didn't think the shrimp was gonna bust like that with the gravy. Cause I'm used to Georgia shrimp, wild caught fresh Georgia shrimp. But I will say this. That's good. Silent L salmon. My. Look at, come see what the Lord has done. So good.
Like you.
Like me. Baby, I think this grit's a little thicker than me. You already let the grits cool in the water. How genius is that?
That's right.
Instead of just huff, trying to cool down the grits. Better grit. So perfect. Ooh, see the grits, you trying to put me back to sleep. That grits don't look like what it's about to go through. Oh, we got some salmon on the way, y'all. Hold on. With a side of salmon. I am particular about my grits.
Save that salmon.
Who sent you grits? Two for two on the grits. I mean, get into the plate. I'm 2 bites in, and I'm already 2 bites in, and I'm already about to. You hit it with that seasoning on top. Be right back. Let me understand. Who sent you?
The Lord.
It got to me. There's no way. So yesterday when you gave me the butterfly, I was so emotional because that was like the mark of my best friend's life. After she had passed, like her mom went through her stuff and like she would just doodle them everywhere. They were on her a pattern that she liked, and they were on notebooks or whatever. So like when I see that, that's I was like kind of like a confirmation of just like where I am in life. And you didn't know that, and it was her favorite color. That's another thing too.
Didn't know that.
It was in her favorite color. And yeah. So I'm just I'm gonna enjoy happiness for as long as possible with no interruptions, and I'm gonna hold on to that. So that's how I choose to live my life. And that's how we all supposed to live our lives. Like, what are we here for? And we not enjoying pain, sunshine and rain. Yes, that's true. But salmon and shrimp and grits. Okay, ain't gonna eat much. Actually, I'm gonna finish that piece of salmon, so it might get a piece of grain, some little grains of grits. I speak of grits as like as one, cause I make them thick and they become one. Most people speak of grits as individual. They be like, these grits.
No.
Oh my! This is my twin flame. This is my soulmate. This is for me. Because only somebody who know how grits supposed to be made and taste would say this is how you talk about grits. Is this grits, not these grits.
Right.
They're not individuals.
No.
It is a collective pot of thick.
That's right.
God, if I'm your favorite, just say that. You know what I mean?
You get hungry later.
Yep. Cut the show. I don't want to play no more. I'm out. So the next day or later that night, I think I made some yellow rice, some green beans, and some smothered turkey wings for dinner. And I also made macaroni and cheese. Want to see more of this? Make sure you like and subscribe.